friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you something real quick. I want to share with you a different way on how you can use your jewelry making beads in your mini albums. So I'm in the process of decorating my design team project for Decorate Your Life. As you can see, it is a tag mini album, and you will get to see the entire flip through in a few days. And so I wanted to, since it's a steampunk mini album, as you can see, I wanted to go ahead and add a little bit of sparkle to it as well, in addition to the metals that I'm planning on putting here. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, the die that I got, it is a KS Craft die, and I believe this one is it. And I got it at Temu. KS Craft is available on Temu. And so if you're interested, I'll go ahead and leave you with my savings coupon code for Temu in the description area right underneath this video. And I'm also going to be leaving you with a link to our paper collections, which are on sale right now. By the way, we are running an August sale. And so yeah, I want to go ahead and show you just a different way how you can use your beads instead of, like, just buying something beautiful like beads. They sparkle and everything, and you go ooh, ah, and then they just sit there. You collect them. So I went ahead. Of course, you are going to need your jewelry making beads, okay? And usually you can get these. These I actually got at Walmart several years ago in a set of 3 for like under $5. It was really, really cheap, okay? This was not so cheap. This I got from Hobby Lobby, and this little sucker right here was $20-something. But believe you me, I am getting my money's worth out of this, okay? And what this is for is, this is to make that tiny little rounded thingamajiggy, okay, when you're making jewelry. So you're going to need some of these, okay? And of course, you're going to need your whatchamacallit. These are really tiny. I got these from Temu, and these are about, they say it's an inch, but it looks more to me like 3/4 of an inch, okay? And so, yeah, so what I do is, whenever you come across something like this, okay, with this little border right here, first of all, what I did here was I die cut this mini album using watercolor paper, okay? One of the reasons why I use watercolor paper is because it is so, hear that, so sturdy to use. And so yeah, I also die cut the edges using watercolor paper, and instead of it looking just average, I went ahead and I'm adding some beads to the center of each of these little, what do you call it, scallops. And so I'm using one string that I got from Hobby Lobby, one string of beads that I got from Hobby Lobby. As you can see, this is what I have left. And so I'm just using these round, I forgot what these are called. And so hang on a second. It would be a good idea to turn the light on, right? Okay, Sandy. Alrighty, I need to put on my my glasses so that I can see. Yeah, my eyes are old. I don't feel old, but my eyes are like that of an old lady. And so basically you use your tools to go ahead and now this one came out a little bit wonky, but whoever wins this mini album, you're gonna have to just forgive me because I'm doing my best and my eyes are very wonky now. Okay, so I want this right here. Hang on a second. It might be easier for me to just go ahead. There we go. Okay, so I got this, and I'm going to get this one here so that I can go ahead and straighten it out. And you just straighten it out as best as you can. And you get it to the point in which the two edges meet, as best as you can. And so it goes like so. And let's do one more. Here's one more. This one is going to go in between the two of those. And so, oops, here we go. And I thought that this would be a really neat, whatchamacallit, addition, embellishment to do on this mini album, since it is a steampunk mini album. And so there, oh, here we go. And I figured you can also do this in your vintage theme projects and also in your shabby chic projects. I think it would look really, really cute on that, so long as you have a border such as this, you know, with the little holes in there. That would make it so much fun. And look, I found a die for Decorate Your Life. Oh. So anyways, you're going to get the full flip through of this mini album in a few days. So if you haven't subscribed as of yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click on that bell notification button so you can see, so YouTube can let you all know when I upload a brand spanking new video. So I'm going to be finishing up my mini album this weekend, and I hope that you'll have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye now. Thumbs up and leave me a nice comment. Thank you.